Hey guys, Susie here, and today I'm doing a really quick video for you guys. I am actually just going to show you guys what I got in my Ipsy bags. This is my October Ipsy bag. Please excuse the way I look. I am not feeling very well today. Yesterday I had a really awful migraine, and today I'm feeling a little bit better, but I'm still just kind of feeling sort of loopy and still a little bit achy and stuff. So I just want to do a really quick video because I really need to start putting out more videos. I'm so slacking. I just feel like I'm always behind, and I just need to start doing more videos. And I just love makeup, and I never show you guys what I get in my Ipsy bags anymore. I don't know if you guys are even still interested in these. I personally have been kind of struggling with deciding whether I want to keep Ipsy or not. I just have not been thrilled with my bags lately. This month's was like okay. I already kind of looked in it, but I didn't like really get to play around with anything yet. So I have opened it already, just because I wasn't even sure if I wanted to do this video, and then decided that I guess I did. And yeah, but I just haven't been thrilled with it lately. What do you guys think? Are you still getting Ipsy, or are you kind of like over it, or have you moved on to something better? I don't know. I've been kind of thinking about it, whether I want to keep it or get something different. But this is the bag this month, and I am totally not thrilled with this bag. I think this is actually one of the worst bags I think I've got from Ipsy. Just being totally honest. I mean, I like how they did the whole masquerade mask, but I mean, this is like the most cheapest looking bag. It's literally just a red red bag with a black plasticky inside, and then it's got this, like, I guess, embossed masquerade mask, which is okay, but like, really, I mean, if you're gonna give me a makeup bag that you want me to supposedly put in my purse, this is not gonna be it. But yeah, and I didn't keep the little card because nobody really seems to care about those anyway, so I'm just going to jump straight in and show you guys what I got. But yeah, if you have a better subscription service that you think is always worth it, like it's worth the money, let me know in the comments, because I'm definitely kind of interested in checking it out. So one of the things I got is this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is probably like the third time I've gotten this in my Ipsy bag. They must have like a plethora of these in their warehouse or something. But I'm over this stuff. I don't really even care for it. The first time I tried it, it was okay, but it just seemed like it made my skin really greasy. And it is like hypoallergenic, but for some reason it just doesn't work good on my skin. I don't know what it is. It just doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't thrill me. It's moisturizing, but it also has this like weird funky smell. Even though it's like hypoallergenic, it has like an odd smell to it. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this, and I'm definitely giving it away because I don't want it. I really don't. The other thing I got is this Space Case blush, and this is the Cosmic Gangster shade. And I've never heard of Space Case Cosmetics before this. This is what the blush looks like. I mean, it's cute. I like the packaging. It's okay. The color's okay. It seemed really light when I like tried it with my finger. I mean, you can just barely see it, but maybe that's okay. Maybe I'll be able to build it up. The blush is okay. I mean, I can always use more blush, but it's alright. This is from, I don't know how you pronounce it, Primit? I don't know. Beauty, and this is the Gel Illusion Gel Effect Nail Lacquer, and this is in the shade Pink Cream. So that's what that looks like. I do like this color. It's a really pretty nude shade, so I am kind of excited about it. I do like this shade. And it's supposed to be kind of like a gel lacquer or something, so I'm interested in trying it out. I have not been impressed with any of the previous nail polishes I've gotten from Ipsy, but maybe this one will be better, so we shall see. And then this actually was kind of excited about. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand, which is actually slightly too light for me, but it'll do okay as far as like highlighting and stuff goes. I was excited about getting this because I have been wanting to try it, and I just haven't been able to find anywhere online to purchase it, but I am excited about that. I do love trying a nice new concealer, so I am excited to try that one out. And then I got this Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow Primer, and this is made by Jennifer Yen. I think, isn't she a YouTuber or something? I think so. But yeah, so basically it's just like a brightening primer, which I can always use. And I mean, I can really use just about everything in this bag. Other than this, I'm giving this away. But I don't know, it's just not thrilling. Like, I could have went and got this stuff myself. It's just, I don't know, it's not exciting. It's not like I opened it and I was like, yay, this stuff is so cool, I can't wait to try it out. It wasn't that kind of feeling. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think about it, whether you are still getting Ipsy or not, or if you're kind of over it. And also, this is a really good question because I really miss doing my makeup videos, but I don't want to bother doing them if people are just not into them, or you guys just don't really care. I do like to focus on like affordable things that you guys can use, so stuff you can find in Dollar Tree or Target or Walmart or your grocery, or something that you are able to find easily, and not just stuff that's high-end. So if you guys are interested in seeing any more makeup videos from me, let me know in the comments. Seriously, because I just really want to know if you guys are even interested in that. If you're not, I'm just not gonna really bother going into that again, because I spend a lot of time and a lot of effort on those kind of videos, and I don't want to be doing them if you guys just aren't into them. There's just really no point, and then I could just be spending that time doing something you guys do like. So if you're not into them, just let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna go because I need to go, but I just want to do this quick video with you guys, and just let me know what you guys think about the makeup videos. If you want to see some, not all the time, just like some of them, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.